So rather than your typical tomato sauce on your pasta, I like to do something a little different and maybe a touch healthier. How about artichoke sauce? So artichokes are rich with antioxidants, especially vitamin C, vitamin K, and magnesium. Many others as well, but those are the key ingredients. Let's put it together. So a little trick I use in order to take the bite out of the garlic is that I take the salt and I smash it into the garlic. So we've got 2 cloves of garlic here, and I'm gonna smash it with a half a teaspoon of salt, and you smash it in really, really well, and it really helps cut the bite of the garlic. If you don't mind the bite, don't worry, just toss it right into the blender with the rest of this and make your sauce. But this is my little trick. The more you smash it, the more it'll take the bite out. There we go. Let's put it together now. We're gonna take the blender and we're gonna add all of our ingredients. First, we're gonna put the salt and the garlic. Next, we've got 1½ cups of artichoke hearts. We're gonna put that in. Then we're going to take a ½ cup of water and we're gonna add that. A 1/4 cup of olive oil. 1 teaspoon of sage and a 1/4 teaspoon of pepper. We add these all into our blender. Now we're going to put it on top of our high-speed blender, snap a lid on, and we're going to blend it until it's smooth. Because artichokes can be a little bit stringy, I blend it until it's really creamy. Snap our lid off. I also blended it long enough to make it hot, so it's nice and ready for my pasta. We bring our pasta in, and we are going to pour it right there on top. The beautiful pasta sauce. Adding some garnish. And that's ready to serve up to your friends. If you want, you can top it with a little bit of Parmesan.